Hello everybody, it's Crafty Rhea, and I'm here to share with you some wonderful happy mail that I got today. The first thing is a handmade Christmas card from my BFF, Valerie. She's also a viewer. She better be a viewer. Anyway, she's one of my BFFs. We live just over an hour apart from each other, so unfortunately we don't get to see each other very often, but she is one of the most wonderful and kind ladies I have ever met, and I just love her. Her and I get along so well. We're like sisters, I would say. Anyway, this is the card she made. It's got this Merry Christmas on this gorgeous plaid. And I love the cars and the trucks with the trees, so that is pretty awesome. And then she signed the inside with her name. Very cool. I bet that's a stamp she used. That is so cool. I love the font on that stamp on the inside. Very cool. And then she signed it on the back. Thanks so much, Valerie. This is going on my wall. And no, I won't recycle this. I keep all of my handmade cards and I keep them special. Unless I recycle it to send it right back to you. But anyway, I also received this priority mailer, and I was so surprised. It is from one of my viewers, LGNOH. Her name is Linda, and she lives in Ohio, about 2 hours away from me. And she's so sweet. She always leaves me wonderful comments. She won one of my giveaways, so I'm guessing that's how she got my address. But Linda, it's so awesome. Thank you so much. I started to open it and then I thought, what am I doing? And I shoved it all back in the envelope. And I said, I got to open this on camera. I can't open it off camera. So I don't know what I was thinking. I was just so happy to get this gorgeous package. So let's go in it together. I could just go ahead and take out the stuff. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, Linda. Forgive me. Okay. And there's this small card. I love the llama, by the way. The llama is adorable. And it's thanking me for a goodie that I sent to one of her friends. And I did read the note inside, and I am very sad, Linda. I wish you my deepest condolences. It's very sad. But I hope that I was able to bring a little bit of happiness. But now on to the happy stuff. And there is this, I love the stickers, by the way. Like, that looks like a stamp sticker. That looks like it was cut from a card. I hope you're using my card ideas. And this is just gorgeous. Look at this. I believe it's a recycled card with this cutout. I love the idea. You know, I have a lot of these embossing folders, and that would be a great idea to use them. I never thought to do that. Linda, thank you for teaching me that idea. That is awesome. And it's a gorgeous inside, just like I do, which is awesome. It made my day to see this. I smiled from ear to ear, and this is going on my wall, and of course I'm going to keep it with all of my handmade cards, because that's not going to be recycled into something else. That's too special. Thank you so much. And then look at these cards to recycle. I am so excited. I love this retro. That is so cool. It doesn't have a date on it, but that is adorable. And then there's that one. Love it. I don't know if they're old or vintage, but they are so cute. They're at least retro. And then we have some cookies. That looks fun. And then there's some Dr. Seuss. One of my cousins is a Dr. Seuss fan, so I try to use Dr. Seuss cards to make for her. So I'm sure she'll probably get one of these next year. I already sent her one this year. But that is adorable. And I love Dr. Seuss too. When I was in college, I had to do a research paper for my English Comp 2, I think, class, and I did it on Dr. Seuss, and I got 100% on it, by the way. Anyway, that's just a crazy tidbit, a Rhea tidbit. This is adorable. I love this guy sitting in the hot chocolate. That is too cute. Love it. And then there's a couple of these, or 3 of these, which is great. Be Merry and Bright. They're really pretty. Definitely. I might try to do something, you know, that uses all of them. I don't know. We'll see what happens. That's very pretty scene. We got this little guy. He's so cute. I like penguins too. And then there's some mini envelopes, which always come in handy. I can definitely use those. Then we have that. That's very pretty. That would be neat to cut out and then raise up on some foam tape. And that is pretty. I love presents under a tree. I think that looks so neat. And then maybe add some balls to that or something, or maybe some bows on the packages. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And then we have this. This has some pretty, it's hard to see, but on the stockings it has like a little holographic shimmer to them. They're really cute. And then, oh, look at this. This is a little box like I made on my video. And look, oh, I had fun making the box. I hope it doesn't get smashed in the mail. No, it didn't. It's adorable. I love that. It feels heavy. I don't know if there's anything in it. That's adorable. Linda, you did a great job. Oh, and a stopper topper. Oh, for my art glitter glue. Oh, Linda, thank you. Okay, it's going in right now. Yes, I have just a plain little pin. You've been watching my videos and you know. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Linda. I needed a stopper topper. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, out goes my regular pin. If I can get it in there. There we go. I have a stopper topper. Thank you, Linda. I appreciate it. I love it. I had made one. Valerie knows this. I made one, and it had a monkey charm and all that, but then it kind of fell apart because I didn't do a good job. But anyway, that's so cool. I love it. Now I won't lose my pin and I won't forget to put it back in. I'm going to set this aside. Thank you so much. That is awesome. Okay, and back to the cards. That's a really pretty scene. And then this we could do up with lots of red bling. Yep. And then another Christmas tree. That has a lot of gold foil on it. It's really pretty. And then there's a couple of these. Believe. We can glitz those right up. Another Christmas tree. I love all these cards. Oh, ha, Linda, I have this. I don't know if you know this or not. I have to reach way over here. I happen to have one on my desk. Look, we made this into a bag. I hope you saw that video, Linda. Oh, that's funny. That's making me laugh. Well, that's cool because that makes a perfect little gift bag. If you guys haven't seen this other video, go check it out. Very cool. Oh, this has like a texture. There you can kind of see it like a canvas. It's very pretty. I love purple, so that's really pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. They're very sparkly. The birds are pretty. Very cool. Oh, wow. Look at that. It has like flocking on it. That is so pretty. And it has like vellum on the inside and the bird is raised up. That is absolutely beautiful, and there's 2 of them. Those are gorgeous cards. I don't know if I could do them any justice, but that is gorgeous. Oh, and I love Snoopy. Oh, Snoopy is my favorite, and Woodstock. I love, love, love Snoopy. I will say I have nail wraps that have, Valerie knows this, that have Snoopy on them, and I don't want to use them because I don't want to cut them. I love Snoopy. Aw. Oh, and then look, all these neat. Oh, those are gorgeous. Thank you, Linda. And these stockings. Oh, I have a card. I'm going to put these on. If you look back a couple videos, maybe I didn't post the video yet. Oh, there's a fireplace, and I don't want to ruin it because I may post this video first. There's a fireplace, and I'm going to add some of these. These are going to be the perfect size. That video is going up on Monday, I think, so check it out. And I'm going to add these to that fireplace, I think. Oh, wow, look at that. You know, I could put these on dogs or people or cats or pictures. Oh, these are going to be fun to use. I love it. Oh, and these are so pretty. These are going to be great for the spring. They're very, you probably can't tell on the camera, but they're very sparkly. Oh, Linda, thank you so much for all of the goodies. I really love it. I appreciate it so much, and I love my stopper topper. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't tell you how happy that is. I've been wanting one of those. Okay, well, thanks again, everybody, for watching, and thank you, Linda. I really enjoyed the Happy Mail, and thank you, Valerie, for the beautiful handmade card that's going in a special place. Everybody, take care. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and leave Linda and Valerie some love below, and subscribe to my channel for more goodies. And come join us over in our Facebook group. I'll post this over there as well. It's Create with Crafty Ria. Okay, I'm back with an addendum because Linda sent me, one of my viewers, Linda, sent me these gorgeous little stockings after I did this video and made this card. So I'm going to have to put them on here. I thought I had little stocking stickers when I made this card and I couldn't find them. So I am so happy because I think they are going to be perfect on here. I'm so excited. They're going to hang from this mantle. So let's see, we'll put a red one and a green one. And then a red one over here. Or maybe I'll move the green one over a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back. I've got my new stopper topper. Thank you, Linda. So I don't ever lose my pen, and it's easy to get in and out. I'll put a little glue on the back of these. My husband is going to hand deliver this card, so it's okay that it's a little bit bulky. These are these stockings look like they're really stuffed with goodies, but they are. Oh, I love it. That's so cool. Thank you, Linda. I hope you have enjoyed this. Bye again. It's Crafty Ria. Bye-bye.